Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: more inputs needed before making final decision on the reservation policy, says Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Meghalaya government assures proper relocation of all residents of Harijan colony at Maulang Hut. Apprehended on heroin case in Lat Rambai East Janta Hills district. And border villages of Taribari and Gizang of Garo Hills hold protest rally against signing of MOU. And now the news in detail. Today, a cabinet meeting was held to discuss the pending issue of the reservation policy. Speaking to the media persons after the meeting, Chief Minister Mr. Conrad K. Sangma said that the matter is being examined carefully and that more inputs and facts need to be obtained before final decision on the matter is taken.
Not put up. And we had in fact created a first roster for the PWDs. In fact, it was not there for the physically disabled also. But it was this government that did that in the past, and based on the roster system, now there is a proper chart that is followed in that. And as the court is now directed, that this thing has to be looked into. So we are examining it now, and we are doing our entire before we come to the final affidavit reply to the High Court.
A meeting was held today, the 13th of April 2022, to further carry out the relocation process of the residents of the Harijan colony in Them Yau Maulong to another location. Speaking to the media, the chairman of the high-level committee, Shri Preston Tunsong, informed that leaders of the Harijan Panchayat committee will communicate with residents of the colony to give their consent before the next meeting that will be held on the 25th of April.
I told them, see, you please take back this information to your community, discuss with them, and then please come back to the government. Because this is as per the indication made in the Honorable High Court. Even the Honorable High Court would like to see that settlement is happen at the earliest possible before they proceed for the cases. So therefore, I'm so happy today. The members, the chairman, the secretary, and another two members of the committee, they came and met me in the meeting. We have discussed openly, frankly. So now they will go back, and then another meeting we have is fixed on the 25th of this month again, 3 o'clock in the same place. So maybe in the second meeting I will be able to tell you exactly what is the status of the issue of relocation of that place, Harijan colony, to other places.
On the 12th of April 2022, credible source information was received that an illegal consignment of narcotic drugs was being transported via a vehicle Mahindra Bolero bearing the registration number NL04C 3516 from Silchar, Assam, and proceeding towards Shillong. Immediately, the Anti-Narcotics Task Force, along with the officers and few men of Lat Rambai Outpost, East Janta Hills District, Kleriat, set up a checkpoint and intercepted the vehicle at Lat Rambai. A proper search of the vehicle was conducted in the presence of the independent witnesses, and 51 numbers of soap cases containing yellowish-orange powder were found concealed in a hidden chamber inside the chassis of the vehicle. The suspected powder gave a positive result for heroin, and the total net weight was found to be 411.71 grams. Accordingly, the contraband was seized in the presence of the independent witnesses. The 3 occupants, including a lady, have been arrested and a case has been registered. An investigation is on to nab the other accused persons. The border villages of Taribari and Gizang of Garo Hills today held a protest rally against the state government's give-and-take policy and the Memorandum of Understanding MOU signed between the chief ministers of Meghalaya and Assam. The protesters used loudspeakers to ridicule the state government, as a large number of the people of these villages who belong to Meghalaya will be separated from each other due to this border settlement of the 2 states. We condemn the action of the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister and also demand that villages of Meghalaya should not be given to Assam.
Congress Sangma, Preston Tinsong, NPP government, MDA government. No Meghalaya. No Meghalaya. No Meghalaya. No Meghalaya. MOU ko. MOU ko. Meghalaya. 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 Meghalaya ni ako. Meghalaya ni ako. Meghalaya ni ako. Meghalaya. Meghalaya. MOU ko. MOU ko.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.